all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me.
Grind, taking no breaks. Yeah, gotta do what it takes. Yeah, whoa. Grind, taking no. YouTube, what is good, boys? Today, back with another video. We got like 6 Supras linking up. If you guys follow me on like Instagram and TikTok, you've seen I've been posting like rollers and like different shit with another Supra, my boy Ryan. So we're gonna be doing that today, but 4 more Supras. So it's gonna be fire. I figured I might as well pull out the camera today. Last time I was more focused on getting like TikTok and real content, so that's why I didn't pull out the camera. Also, I was meeting my new homeboy who's shooting everything. Young kid, by the way, he's on the come up. 16-year-old, nice with the camera. I didn't want to put a camera on his face. You guys know how I am. I'm all about privacy. I don't like sticking cameras in people's faces because I don't know how they like it. But for the most part, today's gonna be a banger. We're gonna meet up with a bunch of people, bunch of different Supras, everything. Nothing looks the same here, so be prepared. It's gonna look amazing. Everybody's Supra looks so unique and different, and I just can't wait. It's gonna be nice linking up with my boys. It's Sunday, end of the vacation starts. Everybody's back to work tomorrow, so what better way than to end it in a big banger like this? And plus, we're gonna blow up the internet. So yeah, it's gonna be huge. I'm about to go get a wash. I'm about to go link up with everybody else. So yeah.
Delete it.
Jesus.
Yeah, 2 weeks is crazy though.
I've never seen Vu's car in person. This thing is nasty. That's this man's car. Vu's car is super nasty. Look at this thing.
And he's like, well, you're not gonna tell me now.
Look at that. All these cars here. You guys know Ryan. He's here.
Yeah.
We got Bert. All fireworks.
Now you had a missing headlight too.
Nah, he's the goat of the missing headlight.
He's a BBO.
Another Supra in a while. Oh my god. Hey, yo. I don't got money like that. That shit's tough. Bro, he's on bags, right?
I would hope so.
This lineup is nasty. Oh my god. I'm surprised you're not recording. You should be vlogging, bro. I didn't even see that till you pointed that out. Hey, this is actually crazy. Good job. Yeah, I know.
But like, you know, like the location, because
The way we was cutting up last time was like crazy.
I know.
Yo, this is gonna be like a crazy shoot. I'm not even gonna hold you. Like, all these cars are different, and it's like all unique, etc. So it's like, sorry, I had to do a quick little pull. Yo, if you guys hear this right now, oh my god. What'd you say? Pretty much. I don't know about the wide body though. Hopefully he is. I believe he is.
He almost got sideways.
Huh?
He almost got sideways.
I seen that.
That's how it is from factory?
Huh?
That's how it is from factory?
Tires. Cold. Tires gotta heat up. I'm about to go get something to snack on though real quick. I don't even think they got anything good to eat.
Are you watching the video? Do you know how to use the pump?
I thought I could
You got to, I think you got to lift it.
lift up thing.
Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show. I got you. Should be good now. Oh, my boy. How's it feel to have a Supra?
Nothing crazy.
We flew by him on the highway.
Cool, bro.
We out?
Where, who?
The other night when we was coming back home.
Nah.
Yeah.
It wasn't him then. Bro.
That's an LED strip right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. We passed it. I promise.
Nah, I don't think so.
Another one with the same LED?
I don't think so, bro.
Bro, it was like
I didn't see him. He
right.
would have hit me.
For real?
He would have hit me up. But he was out last night. Alright, we out? We out? You got gas?
Yeah, I got it.
These boys.
I don't even know where.
Damn, bro. Wide body heaven right here. Jesus. Yo, you're on bags, right?
I am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Jesus, that color is so beautiful. I love green.
Little circle thing?
Just to hold it in. Well, what is it? Just to hold it in the
You're gonna have to angle that shit, yeah? Good job. That's my boy. I'm proud of you.
I don't know about.
Go straight. Keep your wheel straight. You're good.
I'm not on bags. I'm not good.
Nah, he's not either. You'll be fine. Y'all both on springs. You'll be fine.
springs?
Yeah,
You sure?
positive.
Well, that gap looks kind of sus.
I know. But he's on springs, believe it or not.
Very well.
Jesus Christ.
Get up in there.
Damn, my boy. This thing looks nasty. He's heading out of here though. Sheesh. Just a base model. Still 3.0 premium. Inline 6. Huh? He just doesn't have a heads up display, all that good shit. But yo, I don't want to get in your video, I'm sorry. Bro, he's heading out, but I'm so tight because I recorded a video. Yo, but the best thing, yeah, nothing looks the same. I know, bro, I didn't have my mic on this whole time. I just put it on now. Everybody's car is different. That's what I love about it. It's like, seeing all these wide bodies, I definitely gotta go wide body soon. But it's like, all the same car, but all done differently. Like, that shit's perfect. Like, you can't, like, it's so good. And they all look amazing too. I can still hear him. Looks nasty.